Watch a dense urban crowd and you'll see constant, unpredictable motion. People react to hidden stressors, move in jagged patterns, and collide without warning. From the ground level, daily life often feels like a series of entirely random events. This friction shows up in our closest relationships. You might see a partner become suddenly picky or irritable on a Tuesday morning. Without a clear cause, it's easy to assume you've done something wrong. On a personal level, we experience days that feel like a gathering storm. The instinct is often to shrink away, cancel our plans, and simply hide until the atmosphere clears. This persistent anxiety is a form of environmental illiteracy. We are navigating a world of invisible energies without the tools to read the signals they're sending. Astrology provides a structural language for these signals. It is a system built to track and categorize the specific influences that shape our daily experience. Understanding a weather forecast allows you to prepare for a storm, rather than being surprised by it. Acquiring celestial fluency offers that same advantage, moving you from a passive observer of chaos to an active navigator of your own life. Mastering any new language requires starting with the basic alphabet and a core vocabulary. In this system, the planets are the subjects. They are the primary actors driving the action. The houses represent the settings. These are the specific life domains, like career, home, or health, where the actors perform. The aspects function as the verbs. These describe the dynamic relationships and the specific tensions occurring between the actors at any given moment. While these universal rules provide the foundation, the language only becomes useful when you see how it applies to your specific circumstances. The sky is in constant motion, creating universal events called transits. These are cosmic shifts that occur for everyone simultaneously. Because everyone has a unique internal map, a single transit triggers unique responses. The same external event hits different data points on chart A than chart B. Current planetary movements can mimic angles already present in your birth chart. When the sky's geometry matches yours, effects amplify for you, while others feel nothing. To translate how the sky is speaking to you, you first need to know the exact coordinates of your own chart. Without that personal map, the universal language remains abstract. This is why the course begins with a 50-minute private consultation. At $175, this initial session defines your personal chart, providing the specific data you need to relate to the workshops that follow. This session bridges the gap between general theory and your actual life. It ensures you are speaking your own cosmic dialect. Fluency comes through immersion. Following the consultation, the course moves into a bundle of 6 workshops at $50 each, focusing on real-world application. Here, you learn to track how these energies play out across daily, weekly, and monthly cycles, recognizing the patterns as they happen. You can apply this logic to the friction we discussed earlier. If a partner is suddenly picky, you can look at the transits affecting them and understand the energy they are navigating. The personal blame is replaced by a clear mechanical cause. It also explains your own reaction. You begin to see how your chart is wired to receive that partner's energy on a specific day, allowing you to manage the interaction with more nuance. This clarity is most useful during difficult periods. When you recognize an intimidating transit, you can stop hiding and start looking for the opportunity it holds. Even the most challenging alignments can be used to achieve specific life goals. The complete system, the private consultation, and the 6 workshops totals $475. It is designed as a pragmatic curriculum for those who want to turn astrology into a functional tool. True fluency means you no longer have to wait out the storms. By learning the language of the sky, you can work with the universe to navigate your relationships and your purpose with confidence.